1 o'clock. Given the nature of environment issues and the type of policy approach, local government has an important and continuing role to play in encouraging citizens' behavior change around water and climate-related issues. As we come close to the end of another year and the beginning of 2015, it is a fitting time to reflect upon this year in order to establish how we can improve our performance next year. I believe we all need to work smarter and harder to retain the goodwill amongst our citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why I suggested for cleanup campaign is to empower the people of Fiji to take an active role in caring for the environment. At this juncture, I also urge councils to monitor the contractors' work daily. Constant monitoring will allow you to refer complaints to them, which can be rectified immediately. And of course, keep them on their toes. However, if you do not monitor their performance, then you will not get value for the money spent. Please keep your town and cities clean at all times. Let me reiterate. Please keep our town and cities clean at all times. And not when the assessment teams comes to your municipality, then you start running here and there to carry out such works. And that is why from next year we will have quarterly assessment, and the points that you will receive will be released to each council for the first 3 assessments. And for the final judging will be released during the awards night. That will also keep you on your toes. Fellow colleagues, please allow me to express my sincere thanks and appreciation to CLGF for their sponsorship. Your contribution has been very beneficial for our effort to gain our objective. At this juncture, I would also like to thank the management of this hotel for allowing us to host this forum in a very short notice, and in particular I would like to thank the manager, Mr. Narayan. Finally, hoping that the year 2015 would bring peace and future success to all of us, and once again I am counting on each one of you to do your best for the benefit of our citizens and the communities that we live in. Keep up the good work, Vinaka.
Point to the camera.
Today we have resolved that we will give 100% waiver on the arrears, but that is subject to full payment of principal. And that incentive is for the 3 months, so that we're giving people to organize that type of fund and clear their rates. And at the same time, we will clear our books as well. For the regular ratepayers, the incentive that we have agreed is that for month of January, we will give them 10%, and for February and March, we will give them 7%. So it's a win-win situation for everybody, and I would like to urge the ratepayers throughout the country to take advantage of this offer, because this is the only offer for 2015, and this is the time when people will take advantage of it, because there has been a lot of requests from the ratepayers on this incentive, and we have basically listened to them, and now it's their turn to come and clear those type of rates that they say. We have been having these forums. This is our third year of forum. Next year we're going to have 2 forums, and I can tell you it was a very fruitful discussion in these 2 days. Everybody were very frank, very open, and the grievances they face at the municipal level, and that's why I had all my team here from the headquarters to answer all those things. And I've also made a ruling that from January, the ministry will have to respond to the municipal councils, any issues that municipal council within 7 days. That's the turnaround, and not sitting down with 30 days, taking 30 days, 60 days. So that's a good sign, and I could see the degree of interest the staff have, the CEOs and the SAs, and they've all promised and assured me that definitely they will go back and they will try to find ways and means, work hard in a smarter way so that they can take their municipality to another level. That's why the challenge fund is there. What we will do, we will prioritize the project, and we will see, because this challenge fund is not only giving funds to the municipal councils. They must have a consultation and whereby the community benefits. That's the whole idea behind this challenge fund. And by January, I have also instructed all the municipalities to make sure that they come up with their project paper, and by February we want to dish out this money so that they can start the capital works. The main issue was the town rates.
These people came all the way
The
from
other one is
Malibuga.
the legislation.
They came by boat,
And
they came
we are
next
working
week from
towards that.
Malibuga.
But let me say one thing, this was the first time when we had the other entities under my ministry, the National Fire Authority, Housing Authority, participating. And I have asked them that there has to be more coordination now amongst these entities so that we can work as a team. I see gone are the days when this was your job, this is my job. Now it's basically everybody's job. So that's how we're going to do things next year.
So you're looking for a positive outcome come 2015?
Of course, yes. I'm very sure. I'm very positive about it that we will have a good 2015.